Imagine you wanted to bake a cake but didn't want to worry about buying ingredients, preheating the oven, or setting the timer. Serverless computing is like having a magical kitchen where you just say, "I want a cake," and it appears fully baked and ready to eat. Serverless computing, explained by Omaha Computing Solutions, is a way to run applications and services without managing the infrastructure behind them. Instead of renting and maintaining servers, developers can focus on writing code and letting a cloud provider handle the rest. In this magical kitchen of serverless computing, you only pay for the time your code is running, just like you'd pay for a cake only when it's baked and served. This pay-as-you-go model can be cost-effective for businesses as they don't have to pay for unused server capacity. With serverless computing, developers can break their applications into smaller pieces of code called functions. These functions are triggered by events, like a new file being uploaded or a user clicking a button. Each function does a specific task, and when combined, they create a seamless and efficient application. Since serverless computing scales automatically based on demand, you don't have to worry about your cake not rising because the oven wasn't hot enough. The cloud provider takes care of allocating resources as needed, ensuring your application can handle both a dozen users or 1,000 at the same time. Omaha Computing Solutions simplifies the concept of serverless computing by likening it to a cooking show where the chefs only focus on preparing the dish while a team takes care of everything else behind the scenes. This allows developers to be more productive and creative without getting bogged down by server management tasks. In conclusion, serverless computing is a game changer in the world of software development. By abstracting away infrastructure concerns and providing a pay-per-use model, it enables developers to focus on writing code and delivering value to users. Just like magic in the kitchen, serverless computing makes building and running applications easier, more scalable, and cost-effective.